Alright, good morning everybody. Today is Monday the 16th of October, and I've already had a small trade in the S&P 500. As you can see, I've closed out a $100 profit already. Very small trade on the gap higher, topped out here, coming down. Market overall is still strong, so I am going to look to enter this market right in here. Let me put this order in right where we're at. Let's see if we're able to get filled on a small one contract right here. Alright, get filled. Let me put a white horizontal line to represent that area right here. Alright, so break even right there. So my guess is we're going to come up and try to at least challenge the high of the day. If we pull back a little further, I'm going to buy a little bit more because I believe, look at now, it's 10:08 in the morning, okay? We gapped higher, as you can see, and we have not attempted to fill that gap. Look at the first 3-minute bar low right here is the low of the day so far. And again, 38 minutes has passed, and we have not attempted to come down to challenge that at all. That alone tells me I believe we want to go higher. So I'm going to watch it. If we come back down, I'm going to buy a little bit more, and I'm going to show you that here. Again, all in anticipation that the market's going to come back up and try to at least retest the high of the day, okay? So I'm going to pause this video, and I'm going to play and so it's not too long like it has been for the last couple videos. And so let's see what we... Alright, I am back, and as you can see, I was completely wrong about that call. I was long one contract here, and I told you I would add more as it came down. And as you can see, the market is certainly coming down. So I'm looking to put 2 contracts on right down in here. So I'm waiting for that to get filled, and then we'll watch it from there. This is really the area of support here. So let's just see if we can get filled here. Alright, so I am back again. I've been off for quite a while. We're still long this trade. Watching it. Again, I didn't want this video to be really long, but again, the market definitely moved further down than what I had thought. Remember our first position here, second position here, which actually doubled up here, right? So we're only down $100 on this trade, long 3 contracts. Before let's see, taping this trade, I had another trade. I was up 100, right? So we were up 100. We're down 62.50 overall on this trade. And let's just watch this. I'm going to look to get out of 2 of these 1 tick higher. So finally, but let me just explain something to you really quick. So I watched it, it came down, and then we created, right, this double and triple bottom here, right? So right in here, the stop at that point was below those lows, okay? Obviously the market turned up. We're right up in here now, and so I'm going to look to get out just just 2/3 of this position. All right, I am back. I've only got 1 left. Got out of 2, and look at close. Okay, so only up 25 bucks, right? Up $12.50 on this position only. And I've only got 1 left. So let's just see. I want to watch to see if the market can take out the 25.54 3/4, this high right in here. Okay. Now, of course, you look at this chart. You know, the overall bias of the day is down from high to low. And again, I was completely wrong about that position, right? I thought the market would definitely retest the high, and then I added to that position. But remember, it was logical. It wasn't adding to the position because I was down. It was based on my overall methodology. And so as you see, yeah, I gave back some money, gave back $75, still long this trade, but I'm going to watch it very closely because, as you can see, the bars have started turning green again. And again, this is my own proprietary software that I use on TradeStation that at a glimpse tells me whether or not I should be looking to go long or short, okay? So I am still long. I'm going to place my stop, my trailing stop on that one right. I'm going to watch it a little bit, but if we start breaking down through this gray shaded area, and through the 200, which is the purple, then I'd be looking to exit. I just want to give this a little bit more time. Heck, I mean, I was patient enough to wait through this entire area. Now we've broken up, so I'll be back to you shortly. All right, while we're waiting for that, let's take a look at ADMS. I gave this to a couple days ago. Remember I spoke about ADMS a few days ago? And this was the buy zone right in here. So I am definitely long ADMS. And I'm looking for a pop to the upside. My initial catastrophic stop will be right in here, below these two support levels. Right, these were resistance, right? But broken to the upside, they become support now. And if you draw a line across, they acted as support so far. So we're going to watch this. We're going to put ADMS right down in here. And look at GTN. Okay, GTN is one I gave you as well to look to enter this market. And remember what I told you on the last video, we're looking to enter between the close of Friday, right? The close of Friday, 1530, down all the way down to the low 1485, which is the low, anywhere there. So today so far went down to 1525. We're at 35 right now. And let's take a look at Starbucks. So for those of you that do not have a position in Starbucks, I would suggest for tomorrow, right, Tuesday, I would suggest entering Starbucks, or you know I'm already long. I'm long from down in this area, right in here, right in here. But I am definitely looking to add to this position right in here. Again, this is the 10 and 21 moving average. Right, we've broken up through this level right in here, as you can see here. And we're coming right back down again. I'm looking for a little deeper pullback though, like I said, into this area right in here. Alright, I'm also watching the 2-bar RSI, which is reading is 2337. I'd like to see that lower. I really like to see that at 10 or below. So we're going to watch that very closely as well. Okay, let's go back to the S&Ps real quick. Alright, S&Ps are kind of dead today. First movement was out of the gate, right? We gapped higher, we ran up to this high, we sold off, got long during that sell-off, gave back pretty much our profits from our first trade of the day. I'm just going to watch this a little bit. I'm going to pause it until I'm ready to exit so you can see the completed trade. Alright, I am out. I flattened this position. This took way too long. It's almost noon already, and boy, what do I have to show for it? 12.5 bucks on the day trading side so far today. So not a great day, but at least we broke even. So I showed you the swing trades on the other trade. Let me just flip the chart real quick here. Alright, long GTN at 1530, ADMS at a little about 19. Oh, look at that. 1963 long ADMS, and as you recall, a Starbucks much lower, but looking to add to that position if we can get some weakness today. Okay, hope that helps. I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.